Welcome back friends in our channel Art Life with Muhammad Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover with the teddy bear. Next to the teddy bear is a balloon. It's just for the birthday card. For that we need a tweezer, brush for the glue, cutter, glue, round dias, cooling tool and some multicolor strips friends. First of all we will start from the body part of the teddy bear. For that we need 297 mm brown color strip. You have to make it the tight roll, then put in the round dia. So for that we have to extend it, make the shape of round of 25 mm radius round. Make the lower part of the body. And same we will do for the smaller one. We have to do for the face of the bear. We need same 297 mm strip, and I will make, and you will see that one also. Now friends, we have to put some glue in the bottom of the bear near to the legs. For that we have to put some glue and stick that area. For tummy or belly button we have to show that one in the bottom, so we have to press it for a while with the tweezer until it stick with the joint or the whole body. For that face we make that one with the 20 mm round dia. For face we already did the same strip, 297 mm, the brown one. For arms we need 150 mm strip of brown. We have to make it tight roll, then use the 12 mm round dia for that to make the arm, both side arms. Press from the one side in the corner, make the shape and put that side, and one more I already made that one. For legs we need same strip, brown strip, 150 mm. For arm we need 150 mm, and also for legs. And we have to do same strategy for this one also. 12 mm round dia we have to use, and put the glue. This time we have did little different. Press one side and make it upper side like a curve shape. We'll give it to you the part of little bit curve for the legs that can manage with the body round. You already make also one more before. Now we have to do for the ears. For ears we have to make the tight roll also. For ears we have to use the round dia of 10 mm, because with that in scale we have 12 mm round dia, so that's why we use the 10 mm round dia for ears, because we have to need the small size. And press from the both side corner, just make a bit round shape. This one, so we have already make one. Press that side. We need 30 mm strip of black for rope of the balloon. We will do this one also. And for balloon we need 297 mm strip of red color. it looks very uh, bright on the yellow paper. That's why I choose. For that we need 25 round dia, because bright color will very attractive when the people will see it. Press from the one side of the corner and make the shape of balloon. So friends, we complete our teddy bear for the birthday card. So let's get started, friends, to put the stuff on the greeting card cover. So friends, we have all the stuff. We will put the scale on the bottom and get the middle of the greeting card. So we have to put in the middle of the card the bear, then put the rope of the balloon and also put the balloon on the top. So finally, friends, we complete our greeting card cover, birthday greeting card cover with the teddy bear. I hope you like our video, friends. If you like our video, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon that can give it to you the notification whenever we upload our new video. So keep supporting our channel, friends. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.